Hi, fourth and fifth graders. Today we're going to be learning one of my favorite activities of all time called the cup game. You may have heard of this before, or you may have even done it before, but I'm guessing this will be new for most of you. It is a little bit tricky, so if you need to slow the video down in some spots or watch certain parts again, or maybe even watch the whole thing multiple times in order to get it, that is just fine. It took me a while to get it the first time I did it. You learn a really cool rhythm doing this, and we're going to learn some words that will help us get the rhythm just right. So the only thing you'll need to learn this game is a plastic cup, or at least just one that isn't going to break easily. So please do not use a glass cup for this because you're going to be moving this around a lot and patting on the top. So find a cup that is not breakable. Make sure your parents are okay with you using it. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we need to learn is this set of words. Please repeat after me. Clap, clap, bumblebee. Can you say that with me? Clap, clap, bumblebee. All right, so when we say clap, we're going to do just that. We're going to clap. So we say that 2 times in a row. Clap, clap. And then for the bumblebee, we tap that rhythm on our cup. So our cup starts upside down, just like this. So it'll go clap, clap, bumblebee. Let's do that a few times. That seems pretty easy, but once we add some other things, it's going to be really easy to forget. So let's make sure we really have this part down before moving on to some of the trickier things. Let's do that a few times. Ready? Clap, clap, bumblebee. Okay, let's do it again. Clap, clap, bumblebee. All right, let's try it one more time. Clap, clap, bumblebee. All right, good job so far. Let's go on to the next part. Please say this after me. Clap, up, down. Your turn. Clap, up, down. Say it again. Clap, up, down. This part seems a little bit boring, but once you put it with all of the cup stuff, it's really cool and it goes a lot faster. So for the clap, up, down, again, we just clap on the word clap, clap, but on up, down, you're going to take your right hand and you're going to lift the cup on up, up, and just put it down on the word down. So let's just try that part again. So it'll be clap, up, down. And I just moved mine a little bit to the right when I did that. Let's try that again. Clap, up, down. Okay, a couple more times. Clap, up, down. One more time. I'm going to say that a lot today. Clap, up, down. Okay, if you think you have that, let's start at the beginning. Let's just speak it. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Let's say that all together one more time. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Okay, good. Let's try to do it with the cup. Ready? Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. All right, let's do that a few more times. If you have it, great, but doing it again will be very helpful, even if you think you already are an expert at this, okay? Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Again. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Do it again. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Last time. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Okay, good job. All right, so this next part is probably one of the trickiest parts of the whole cup game, but I believe in you. You've got this. Okay, so we start with a clap. We say clap, turn, touch, touch. Can you say that with me? Clap, turn, touch, touch. All right, the first thing is pretty easy. Clap. For the turn, you're going to take your right hand and you are going to put it like this. So your thumb should be facing down. It's almost like you're giving a thumbs down. And then you put the rest of your fingers out. So we do clap, turn, and then you're going to touch the open part of the cup to your left hand. That's the first touch. And then the bottom of the cup is going to touch the table for our second touch. So it looks like this. Clap, turn, touch, touch. Okay, let's try that a couple more times. Remember to start with your cup upside down. Clap, turn, touch, touch. One more time. Clap, turn, touch, touch. Okay. One more time. That is pretty tricky, isn't it? Clap, turn, touch, touch. Make sure you're saying the words out loud. And then I think we are ready to try this from the beginning, and then we only have one more part to learn. So let's try it from the very beginning. Cup down. Ready? So it's clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down, clap, turn, touch, touch, and then we're almost there. Let's go really slowly. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down, clap, turn, touch, touch. All right, good job. And then the final part only has three things. We say change, pat, down. So your hand did not leave the cup on the second touch. We just did touch, touch, and then it'll be change, pat, down. Say that. Change, pat, down. One more time. Change, pat, down. For the change, it says change because you're going to switch hands. You're going to pick up your cup and you're going to put the bottom of the cup into the palm of your left hand. Change. So now my left hand has the bottom of the cup. Okay? So it went change. Try that again. Change. All right. And then after you put the cup into your left hand, change, you're going to take your right hand, which now is free, pat the table, and then down. All right, let's try that again. So we started with the cup in our right hand. Clap, turn, touch, touch. So on that last touch we did here, change, pat, down. Okay, let's try that again. So we did turn, touch, touch. So the cup is up. Change, pat, down. Try that again. Change, pat, down. Two more times. Change, pat, down. Last time. Change, pat, down. Okay, let's try that tricky second half one more time, and then we're going to try to put the whole thing all together. So our cup is upside down. We're going to start at the clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. Can you say that with me? Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. Okay, let's try to do that together. Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. One more time. I know, I told you I'd say that a lot today, didn't I? Okay, ready? Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. All right, I think we're ready to try the whole thing all right. Before we try the whole thing all together, let's go over the words one more time really slowly, just speaking them out loud with me. If you need to write them down, that would be a great idea. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. Okay, let's try saying that one more time together. And if you need to practice that a little bit more, you can just go back in the video. Clap, clap, bumblebee, clap, up, down. Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. I think we're ready to try it slowly. All right, remember, cup is upside down. Ready? Clap, clap, bumblebee. Clap, up, down. Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. And if you're playing it with multiple people, you would pass it to the next person on that last down. Change, pat, down to the next chair. And the person on this side of you would have passed their cup in front of you. Okay, let's go a little bit faster and try that again. Again, if you need to go through that slowly, feel free to rewind the video and do it again. This should be how fast it will actually be. Ready? Clap, clap, bumblebee. Clap, up, down. Clap, turn, touch, touch, change, pat, down. All right. Again, if you need to go back and look at part of the video or practice certain parts, that's fine. I know I had to practice this a lot before I got it. It's also a lot easier if you write down those words and say them out loud as you do this. If you feel like you got it, I would love to see a video. Please email me, share with me, Google Drive, whatever you need to do. I would love to see it. I hope you have fun with this. I know I do.